make Tello work again, you gotta take it apart. And of course, I have to use a blow dryer with fresh water. So this is what I'm going to do. That's the only way Tello will be alive, by showing you guys this. So you have to. So having this for a month, when I take this cover off, you're gonna see that there's actually moisture around it. All I did was blow it with blower, and the same thing the inside, and then you can see. Let me turn it on. That means it's alive. Okay, and now the Wi-Fi is on, so that's a good sign. And that's about it. And now you guys can see everything is fine once you start blowing it, and you can see the dot still have reflector. So this one's almost like a waterproof. I mean, the coating is so good on this that, you know, if you just use like a fresh water, and it will do the job. So let me go ahead and plug it, and that's about it. Pretty awesome. Go from here. It's windy right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and change the SMO because it's too bright. I'm gonna go ahead and change it up a little bit. Okay. It's about right there. Oh, much better. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and change it again. Okay, much better. It's just so bright. And now it's still giving me a nice footage. And go ahead and go from here. Okay. Just giving it's windy. And he still managed to stay. See that? It's like a GPS. Even though it's low light. See that? You can see. Anyway, guys, this is the raw footage at midnight. Tello video footage, and you can see it actually works. So anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'm just trying to share it to you guys.